as you know, according to the new education policy of CBSE, coding is
also children. So sometimes it happens.
if you have any
It's going to be
when I of art intelligence, and definitely it's very nice. Third is
just for
वाओ, इसकी ट्रेनिंग तो दी नहीं थी हमने, दी थी क्या? इसके सैंपल्स दिए थे क्या?
no ma'am.
Wait. Please switch off your video. Please mute yourself first of all.
How can I see?
Are happy? Okay? नहीं होगा.
Emobot link, ma'am. In this, ma'am, it just takes us to that Google Drive, and ma'am, in Google Drive, ma'am, we can't do it only, ma'am. It is very tough.
Okay. I will share this whole package to you. Students, wait. Time.
Ma'am, how the first command will come?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ एक साथ हो जाता मैम
Wait. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. I will give you
Emobot and
a C programming and
nice.
ma'am, very nice workshop.
So I the feedback form. I had already shared. Please go to the link.
I have to ask how we will take a screenshot on laptop or a computer.
One important thing I'm going to. I'm very glad that you are very energetic, very good. Done very well in a workshop.
Please wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. With robotics and STEM.
Yes. Ma'am, in my
Shared.
not coming in download.
जो हमने happy sad also lost phone.
Ma'am.
Oh, I'm also sad. God bless. What is this? This is a AI model. Okay, I can also